Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Realme phone Bluetooth setting guys. In this video guys we will talk about guys how can we pair our Bluetooth earphones to our Realme phone guys. You want to pair and guys how can you use guys your Bluetooth earphone in your Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you friends. First of all guys we will on our guys our phone setting to pair it, and guys we will click on our Bluetooth setting, and guys first guys you can see this power off button. So guys on your earphones power on button, and guys you can see this volume buttons, and guys we will on it with refresh guys. Then guys we will have to wait here. So as you can see guys, my earphone name guys U1CL20. So I will tap here, and guys you can see it's pairing, and guys you can see this pair notification allow access to connect and call logs. So guys yes we want to pair. So guys you can pair from here, and guys you can check your battery percentage, also guys your earphone battery. So guys now Bluetooth earphone has it paired, and guys now you can use guys your Bluetooth earphone while watching movies, listening song, whatever you want. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth earphone to our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.